Boy, it's your boy, Robby Banana, and we're here with an epic blade tutorial. Now, like, subscribe, comment down there what you want to see Blade Master Greg do. Whatever you comment, he'll do it in the next video. Alright, so today we're going to be taking this cheap wood, $2 from the hardware store. We're going to be turning it into the Gladiator blade. Okay, let's get to it. Step by step, let's make this into the best Gladiator blade the world has ever seen.
Alright, let's start by measuring the hand apart. You gotta be able to hold this thing. So, make it through with your hand, and then let's draw on a guard up there to keep the other blades out of your hand. Okay, now we gotta draw this in here so that you can have a smaller handle to hold, and then we can... Oh, we're moving on. Okay, the pommel. Draw it on, whatever you like. I did a circle oval thing, and then we gotta draw in here the handle. This is so you can handle it a little better. It's a little easier to hold. Perfect. Now, moving on to the blade. This is my favourite part. I love drawing on the blade here. This is great. Okay, just try to line it up, get it a little bit straight. You can do this. You can draw it on. You can... Oh, I did it. Okay, I did it there. Okay, now let's finish it up at the top there. Line it back up. Okay, now we got to center this thing. So we got a good tip there. I'll center it. I don't know what the measurement is. Then let's draw a line down there to match it up a little bit easier. I forget why I did that exactly. Okay, now we got to pick how long we want the tip and then draw it on. I forget how long it was. Okay, perfect. Well, we're cutting it. Let's do this thing. Watch out for the trilby. Get out of there. I got to see where I'm cutting. Get out. Go, go. Okay, keep going, keep cutting. You can do this. You can get through this. Watch out for the cords. Oh, well, we're cutting. It's going pretty fast here. Okay, keep going. Keep going. Don't cut through the cord on there or a brick. Okay, now you got to cut out the tip. You can do this. Whoa, we're moving on to the beveler. Okay, let's bevel this thing. Really smooth it out. Smooth it out so it's easier to hold, looks a little bit better, has some more definition there. Nice on the pommel too. And then let's get the guard. Let's do that. Okay, we're moving on to the blade here. Perfect. Look at that thing. Look at it go. Perfect, smooth out blade. Oh yes, look at that. Wow, that was great. We're moving on to the tip already. Great. Perfect. Okay. Now, we got some paints from the basement. They're really old, I don't know. Okay, we got to tape off this handle here so we know exactly what we're spray painting on. Okay, let's get the top there too. Don't want to... Okay, we're moving on to the gold. Spray paint with the gold. Spray paint it. Okay, get the other side once the first side dried. Okay, then we got to take off that. Then we got to put new tape on there, and then so that we don't get the silver on there. Okay, now stop painting the blade. Stop painting. Okay, keep going. Flip it over once it's dry. Do the other side. Keep painting, and oh wow, we got to take off the tape now. Okay, get that tape off once it's dry. There, this is the worst part. I hated wrapping this thing. Tie it on there, kind of. It took forever. I hated it. And then keep it. Oh, it's over.
Oh, put that here in my dad's scary basement. And boy, is this thing ready to go. If there hasn't been a finer crafted Gladiator sword replica than this, oh, I'm speechless. Let's get a couple close-ups of this thing, the fine work, and then let's take it outside and see if it can chop a warm beer.
My God, look at the power of this blade. It actually turned out pretty nice. I can't really, but oh, there's the tip. My God, look at this thing. Perfectly crafted for Gladiator Colosseum battle.
Alright, we're here, and it's time to chop. Let's see what it can do. And just like that, I cannot believe the pure power of this training Gladiator sword. This too can be yours if you follow this tutorial and follow common safety guidelines for using power tools. Like, subscribe, do it all, hit the bell button. That'll tell you when we're doing new stuff. Send it to your friends, send it to your family, post it on Facebook. Do it all, and you too could have this. And now, it's time for the giveaway edition of the Gladiator sword tutorial. This finely crafted blade could be yours if you do this stuff. Comment on the video. Robby Banana, I love that blade. You, sir, finely crafted a blade. It's properly crafted for Gladiator. I love that. Wow, great job. Keep it up. Then share it with your friends. Share it with 3 friends. Tag 3 friends. Post it on Facebook. And this could be coming to the mailbox, and then to you. This could be yours. From everyone here at Epic Blade Review, thank you and keep blading. Yeah.